Namaste. Today the topic for our discussion is ordinary number and standard form. This particular exercise I have taken from GCSE, which we also call as IGCSE board in our India, and this is for grade 8, means 8th standard. In that we do have this unit 2, that is number 2, and today we will be discussing exercise 1 and 1 star. This is purely dealing with representation of an ordinary number in standard form. Okay, right. So just like what we are writing as scientific notation, some number if it is given to us, the same thing here also we are going to express it, and that is only called as standard form. So how that ordinary number can be written as a standard form, or how that standard form can be converted into an ordinary number, that we are going to discuss today in this particular video. I hope the students of 8th grade, they will be getting benefited and they will learn something from this video. And I express my sincere thanks to all of you for your kind support, motivation and encouragement always. Please do not forget to share your valuable comments. Let us move to next slide. Let me introduce that what actually is an ordinary number and what actually is called as standard form. So ordinary number, when we used to write 1, 10, or you can say 300, 5,000, 10,000. Okay, so when we are writing any number in this form, or 3735, 4594, so this type of number, when this representation is called ordinary number. Ordinary number. Now, standard form, it is also one type of, you can say, writing in scientific notation. Maybe in class 11th standard we will be studying about scientific notations, and means the expression which is given to us, how it should be written, like Planck's constant. I am telling you, Planck's constant, so its value is 6.023 into 10 power of minus 34 joule second. So this notation is actually called as scientific notation. Okay, the representation of any number in this fashion, where the first digit will be an integer from 1 to 9. After that we have to put decimal, and then followed by multiplication of 10 to the power anything. Okay, 10 to the power a, where a can be positive also, and b, it is means a can also be negative also. So it is integer, whereas this 1 to 9 generally it will be, it can also be an integer, if minus it will be there. Okay, so this type of expression is called standard form. Like suppose if we want to write this 1 as in standard form, so this 1 will be written as 1.0 into 10 to the power 0. We know that anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, right. Similarly 10 can be written as 1.0 into 10 to the power 1. There is no need to write 10 to the power 1, but just for your understanding, I have written as 1. 300 can be written as 3.0 into 10 to the power 2. Sometimes if we are not writing 0.0 also, so there is no problem. We can write 3 into 10 power of square. We can write also 1 into 10 to the power 1, 1 into 10. Okay, but here compulsorily we must write 1 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, similarly 5000 can be written as 5.0 into 10 power of cube. 10,000 can be written as 1 into 10 to the power 4. So 1.0 into 10 power of 4. 3735. So we need to put decimal 3.735. The first digit, only single digit it should be there. So if it is a single digit and we have put decimal here, so it means we need to multiply it with 10 to the power 3. We can see that if 3.735 is multiplied with 1000, we are getting 3735. So literally, mathematically, there is no difference. There is no difference between this 3735 and 3.735 into 10 to the power cube. No difference is there. But how we are going to express it in standard form, that we are understanding now, that we are studying. Expression of ordinary number into standard form. Similarly, this particular number, as I have told, if it is given to us in standard form, we are asked to convert it into ordinary number, then simply we will multiply 10 to the power whatever it is there and we will make it as 3735, that will become ordinary number. Similarly, 4594, we can write 4.594 into 10 power of 3. Right? So this can also, this is the standard form. Similarly, if we are already given 3, you can say 373.5, like this if we are given, we need to shift this decimal to 2 more places. From here, it should come here in this position. Then we will be writing it. So this is ordinary number. We can write it in standard form 3.735 into 10 to the power 2. Why we have shifted the decimal for 2 places leftwards, so it has become 10 to the power 2. So in this way we are going to express. Now another thing, we must understand laws of indices. So laws of indices, let me tell you that we must be using the laws of indices as a to the power. So let me erase this one and let me write clearly. It is very much useful for our students, so that's why we need to pay attention towards this one, and we must write as laws of indices. Laws of indices. So in this, if a to the power m into a to the power n is there, when bases are same, we are writing a to the power m plus n. When it is same, it is divided. When bases are same, it is a to the power m minus n. So a is called base and these are indices. These are indices. Similarly, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 by a to the power m will become a to the power minus m. So these laws of indices will be extremely useful to solve problems related to standard form and ordinary number. So let us move to solve some of the questions from exercise. Right. We are given here ordinary numbers. So these are ordinary number. We need to convert it into standard form. Now 456. So here I will be writing 456 can be written as 4.56 into 10 to the power 2. Similarly, 2 is 67.8. So it is already given as 67.8. We need to shift this decimal to one place leftward. So it will become 6.78 into 10 to the power 1 only. Simply 10 also we can write, no problem. 3. 123.45. We will be shifting this decimal to two more places leftward. So 1.2345 into 10 to the power 2. 4. 67 million. Right, once million is there, so let me tell you one more thing. We need to remember, like 1 million is equal to 10 to the power 6, gentlemen. Okay, which we used to say as 10 lakh rupees. 10, so it's not rupees always. Okay, 10 lakh is called as million. Similarly, 1 billion is equal to 10 to the power 9, or you can say 100 crore. Okay, and even 1 trillion is also there, which is 10 to the power 12. So this we need to remember for our use at many places. So 1 million is equal to 10 to the power of 6. 1 billion is equal to 10 to the power of 9. 1 trillion is equal to 10 to the power of 12. So here million is already given to us, which is 10 to the power 6. So it means it is 67 into 10 to the power 6. But still it is not in standard form, gentlemen, because we need to put decimal here. After 6 we need to put decimal. So this can be written as 6.7 into 10 to the power 7. Okay. Right, because we have put one decimal, we have shifted, so 110 has got added. Right. Then coming to 568. So it will become 5.68 into 10 to the power 2. 6. 38.4 can be written as 3.84 into 10 to the power 1 only. Okay. 7. 706.05. So we are shifting the decimal to two more places here. So it will become 7.0605 into 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2. Okay. Right. Then coming to 8th one, 123 million. So 123 into 10 power of 6, already it is there. Now we need to put decimal after two places leftward. So it will become 1.23 into 10 power of 6 plus 2. Okay, 10 square will get added here. So you can say 10 square will get added. So it will become 1.23 into 10 power of 8. Why? 6 plus 2. Law of indices. 6 plus 2. Which law of indices we have utilized? So AM into AN is equal to AM plus N. Right. Okay. So we were given in previous slide ordinary number. We converted it into standard form. In this, we are given in standard form. We will be converting it into ordinary number. Okay. 4 into 10 to the power 3. So it means 4 into 1000. It means 4000. 10. 5.6 into 10 to the power of 4. So 5.6 into 10,000, it will give you 56,000. 11. 4.09 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, so 4.09 into 6 zeros. 6 zeros. 2 0 will get utilized for removing the decimal. So it will become 409 and then 4 zeros will be there. 12, 6.789 into 10 power of 5. So 6.789 into 10 to the power, 10 to the power of 5 is there, so 5 zeros. Okay, so it will be giving to us as, so 3 zeros will be utilized to remove this decimal, so it will become 6789. Remaining 2 zeros are there, so we will write 2 zeros. Okay, next 13, 5.6 into 10 power of square. So 5.6 into 100, 110 will be utilized to remove the decimal, so it will become 560. 6.5 into 10 power of 4. So 6.5 into 10,000. 1 0 will be utilized to remove the decimal. It will become 65, remaining 3 zeros. Okay, right. Then 7.97 into 10 power of 6. So 7.97 into 10. Okay, 2 0, 3 0 and 3 more zeros, total 6 zeros. How many decimal? How many places are there? 2 digits are there after decimal. It means it needs 210, means 100. Okay, so that 100 we will be utilizing to remove this decimal, and it will become 797. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Okay, 16. 9.876 into 10 power of 5. So it is 9.876 into 5 zeros. 3 zeros will be utilized to remove the decimal. So 987,600. Okay. Sorry, here there is no decimal in this place. 987,600. Now, statement type question. The approximate area of all the land on earth is 10 to the power 8 square miles. Okay. And the area of the British Isles is 10 to the power 5 square miles. How many times larger is the Earth's area? How many times larger is the Earth's area? So it is just a comparison. So we can say that Earth's area is larger than British Isles is equal to 10 to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power of 5. So this one will be giving you 10 to the power of 8 into 10 to the power minus 5, and we can write 10 to the power 8 minus 5, that is 10 to the power 3, that is 1000. It means the Earth is 1000 times. Earth is 1000 times larger than British Isles. That's all. Okay. Question number 18. The area of the surface of the largest known star is about 10 to the power 15 square miles. The area of the surface of the Earth is about 10 to the power 11 square miles. So how many times larger? Here see, larger is there. Once larger is there, so the bigger one will be at the will become numerator, and the smaller one will become denominator. If it is smaller, in this case, if it is written as smaller, then in that case, this will go to the denominator and this one will come to the numerator. Okay. So because here larger is there, we need to put 10 to the power 15 in the numerator part. Okay. Right. So how many times larger is the star's area? So star's area is larger than Earth. So is equal to 10 to the power 15 by 10 to the power 11, which is equal to 10 power of 15 minus 11, that is 10 to the power of 4, and which you can write 10,000. So you can say that star's area is 10,000 times larger than Earth. Okay, 10,000 times larger than Earth. Okay. Now in this we need to solve. Here we need to solve also and represent it in standard form. The solution should be represented in standard form. Okay. So we are given 2 into 10 power of 4 into 4.2 into 10 power of 5. Okay, right. This can be written as 2 into 10 to the power of 4 into 4.2 into 10 power of 5. Further, so 2 into 4.2 at one place and 10 to the power 4 into 10 power of 5. I am writing in this way. So it will be giving us as 8.4 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 5, and which will be equal to 8.4 into 10 power of 9. Like this we need to do it. Okay, right. Then coming to 20. So let me solve question number 20 here. We will be solving. So it is 6.02 into 10 power of 5 divided by 4.3 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, right. We can also solve in this way by converting it into ordinary number. 6.02 into 10 power of 5, let us convert it into ordinary number, means by multiplying. So from this 10 to the power 5, 2 zeros will be utilized to remove the decimal and it will become 602, remaining 3 zeros are there. Similarly, 1 0 will get utilized for removing decimal, so 4 3 and 2 zeros will be there. Now this 2 0, this 2 0 we will cancel, and now we will be going for 6020 divided by 43. So if we will be dividing, we are getting 43 1 ja 43 and remaining 750, 17, 172. So what we find, 43 4 ja 172, so it will become 172 and this 0. So it is 140, which can be represented. So now this 140 is in ordinary form. We need to represent it in standard form. So we will be writing 1.4 into 10 to the power 2. We can write 1.40 also, we can write here, no problem. So that will not be changing the meaning. Okay, 1.40 we are writing, or even simple 1.4 we are writing. So it will not change the meaning. Okay, 1.4 into 10 to the power of square. 1.4000 like this we cannot write. 1.4 into 10 power of 2. Right? Okay. Now, question number 21. It is 4.5 into 10 power of 12 divided by 9 into 10 to the power of 10. Now, in order to remove decimal, let us utilize 1 0 from this 10 to the power of 12. So, we can make it as 45 into 10 power of 11 divided by 9, and very well we can write as 10 to the power of 11 minus 10, which will become from the denominator. Okay, and this is giving to us as 5. This can cancel 5 into 10 to the power of 1. Okay, right, but we need to place decimal here, so we can write as 5.0 into 10 to the power of 1, or simply 10 we can write, simply 10 we can write. Okay, 22, 2.5 into 10 to the power 4 plus 2.5 into 10 to the power of 5. Okay, right. Here we will not be able to apply the law of indices properly. We will not be able to apply because in between plus is there. This law of indices is applicable whenever there is multiplication part. Multiplication should be there compulsorily, not plus. So let us first convert it into ordinary number, both of them. Then we will convert it into standard form. So 2.5 into 10 to the power 4. So 1 0 will get utilized for removing the decimal. It will become 25,000 plus here 1 0 will get utilized for removing the decimal. Okay, so 25 and after that 4 zeros. Not 3 zeros, 4 zeros. Okay, so this addition has given to us 3 0 will give us as addition, then 5, and so it will become 5 here. Okay, right, 5,000 and then 5 to 7, and here it will be 2. Now we will convert it into standard form. So we can write 2.75 into 3 to 5. So it will become 10 to the power 5. This is converted into standard form. Right. So in this, sometimes we need to convert it into ordinary number. Then we need to convert it into standard form. Or if it is directly in standard form, we can multiply, we can divide. That also can be done. Now coming to exercise 1 star. Here, write each of these in standard form. So we need to write in standard form given in ordinary number. So these are ordinary numbers. So already you are having the idea now. Even we can move faster. But as you are going to understand, let us do it once again. It is just like revision. So 45089 can be written as 4.5089 into 10 to the power 4, because after 4 places we have kept the decimal leftward. Second, 87050. So 8.7050 into 10 to the power 4. Again, 3, 29.83 million. So 1 million is equal to 10 to the power 6. 1 billion, 10 to the power of 9. So this is what? 10 to the power of 6. This is what? 10 to the power of 9. So it will become 29.83 into 10 to the power of 6. We need to shift the decimal one place more. So 2.983 into 10 to the power 7. 110 will get added. Similarly, 0.07654 billion. Okay. So now it will be 0.07654 into 10 to the power of 9. We want to make it 7.654. So when we are moving the decimal leftward, okay, moving the decimal leftward, our 10 to the power, it is increasing. But when we are moving the decimal rightward, 10 to the power is decreasing. So here we need to move the decimal rightward to two places. It means this 10 to the power, it will decrease. Here we have moved the decimal leftward, the power has increased. How many places you are moving leftward? So that power will get added here. Similarly, how many places you have shifted rightward, that will get subtracted here. So it will become 7.654 into 10 to the power 7, because two places we have shifted rightward the decimal. Okay. Now we need to calculate and then write each answer in standard form. So we need to sometimes convert it into ordinary form, and then we need to write in standard form. So 10 into 10 square is there, which can be written as 10 into, let me solve it at the top. But by utilizing the law of indices directly also we can write. Like 10 into 10 to the power square is there. So 10 into 1 plus 2, and this is equal to 10 to the power of 3. 6. Okay. So in standard form, if we are writing, we must write it as 1.0 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay. Right. 6. 10 to the power of 3 is square. So it is 10 to the power of 6. That can be written in standard form 1.0 into 10 to the power of 6. Then question number 7. 10 to the power of 9 by 10 to the power of 4. So 10 to the power of 9 minus 4, 10 to the power of 5. In standard form, we will be writing 1.0 into 10 to the power of 5. 8. 10 million. So 10 million is 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 to the power of 6. Sorry, 10 million is there. So it is 10 into 10 to the power of 6. So it is actually 10 to the power of 7 divided by 10 to the power of 6, which is 10 to the power of 7 minus 6 is equal to 10. In standard form, 1.0 into 10 to the power of 1. Okay. Now question number 9. Let me solve question number 9 here at the top. So 10 to the power 12 into 10 to the power of 9, which can be written as 10 to the power of 12 plus 9, and this is 10 to the power of 21, which can be written as 1.0 into 10 to the power of 21. Okay, question number 10 here, right? So 10 to the power of 2 to the power 4 is equal to 10 to the power of 8. And this is giving to us 1.0 into 10 to the power of 8. Similarly, 11. Okay. So 10 to the power of 7 divided by 10 to the power of 7 it is. So 10 to the power of 7 by 10 to the power of 7. So this both have got cancelled, same to same it is there. It has given as 1. It can be written as 1.0 into 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 0, anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Then 12. 10 to the power of 12 by 1 million is equal to 10 to the power of 12 by 10 to the power of 6. So 10 to the power of 12 minus 6 is giving you 10 to the power of 6. Okay, that is 1 million only, which can be written as 1.0 into 10 to the power of 6. So this is in standard form. Okay. This we need to solve and again write in standard form. So question number 13, let me solve here. So 5.6 into 10 to the power of 5 plus 5.6 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay. So let us convert it into normal form, ordinary form first. So 5.6 into 10 to the power of 5. 1 0 will be utilized to remove one decimal. So 5 6, now 4 zeros, okay, plus here 5 6, 5 zeros will be there, 5 zeros, okay. So now 5 6, so 1 2 3 4 5, with 1 2 3 4 5, so it can be written 60,000 will be as it is, we need to write, okay, from here, and then 5 6, so 2 4 5 6, okay, so 6 5 11 and 5 1 6, 6 1 6 triple 0 can be written as 6.16 into 10 to the power, so 246, 6.16 into 10 power of 6. See, taking common also can be done. Okay, that is also there, but now I do not want to confuse you about taking common and other things. Gentlemen, some people, they may teach you now at this particular junction. Okay, so here you are studying actually how to convert it into ordinary form, ordinary number and standard form. So better to convert it into ordinary number, add them together and convert it into standard form. But suppose if you want, I will tell you. Okay, you can see that 5.6 into 10 power of 5 and here 5.6 into 10 power of 6. So with 1 power of 10, it is bigger. It means this can be written as 5.6 into 10 power of 5 into 10, like this we can write. Okay, so this particular part can be written as 5.6 into 10 power of 5 into 10. So now you see 5.6 into 10 power of 5, in both places it is same. So you can write 5.6 into 10 power of 5, you can take common. Here you can write 1 and here it is 10. Okay, so from here 10 it has come. Now it has become 5.6 into 11 into 10 power of 5. And further, when we are going for multiplication, we will be getting 11 6 66 and 11 5 55. Okay, 55 plus 6 61. Okay, so it will become 61.6 into 10 power of 5. We need to shift the decimal one place, so it will become 6.16 into 10 power of 6. So what you have got here, the same thing you have got here, there also, after converting it into ordinary number. Okay, so no need to get confused with this method now, taking common and all. If you are very convenient, you can do it, no problem. Nobody is stopping. Nobody will cut your marks also. In mathematics, we can solve in many different ways. Whatever the formulas are there, whatever the ways are there, you can utilize at any place. Nobody will tell you that why you have utilized that particular method. Right. Now, 14. It is 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4 into 6 into 10 to the power of 3. Now 4.5 into 6 will do, into 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of 3 we will write at one place. So if we are multiplying this one, 6 5 30, 3 6 4 24, 3 27.0. Okay, so it is 27.0 into 10 to the power of 7. 4 plus 3 will give you 7. Now we need to put decimal where? We need to put decimal after 7. Here we have to shift. So 27.0 after decimal, if 0 is there, it is not having any meaning. So it is 27 into 10 power of 7. Now if we want to make it as 2.7, so it will become 10 to the power of 8. Okay, right. 15. 3.6 into 10 power of 4 divided by, so better let me write divided only, by 9 into 10 power of 2. As I told you, let us convert it into ordinary number by removing the decimal. So it will become 3 6 and 3 zeros divided by 900. Remove these two zeros. make it as 9 4 ja 36 and 0 40, and it will become 4.0 into 10 to power 1. Okay, it will be the standard form. 60. Oh, it is subtraction is there, right? No problem. 7.87 into 10 power of 4 minus 7.87 into 10 power of 3. We will multiply, convert it into standard form, sorry, normal form. So two zeros will get utilized to remove the decimal. So 787 and 00 minus, then here 2 will be utilized to remove the decimal. So it will become 7870. Okay, now we will subtract it. So 0 0, it will give you 0, and from 10 7 has gone, so it has become 3, and here 16 8 it has gone, so it will become 8, and then 7 7 it will become 0, and here it is 7 only. Okay, right, let us see. So 0 and 7 3 10, right? 0 7 3 10, then 8 8 16 1 17, and then 7 1 8 7, right? So 70830. Now we need to convert it into standard form. 7.0830, okay, into 10 to the power 4, gentlemen. 10 to the power 4, right? Similarly, this one also we need to calculate, and we need to write in standard form. Okay, let me first here write solve 4.5 into 10 power of 5, and it is the cube. So it means it is 4.5 cube into 10 to the power of 5 and 3. So I have forgotten to tell you a to the power m into n is equal to a to the power m into n. Okay, this is also law of indices only. Now 4.5 we need to go for cube, and this one will become 10 to the power of 15. Okay, 4.5 to the power cube if we are going for, so let us make it 45 45 25, okay, and 20 22, then 5 4 ja 20, 16 to 18, 5 2 0 and 1 1 2, 2025. Now 2025, again we need to multiply with 45. So if we are going for, yes, we can do it into 50 minus 5, like this we can do. Okay, we will do 5 5 25, 2 5 2 ja 10, 12 0, so it is 1, and 5 2 are 10, right? 5 4 ja 20, 4 2 8 2 10, right? 1 4 0 0 0, and it is 1, 4 2 are 8, right? So 5 2 1 1 8 1 9. So now 3 places decimal will be there, yes. So 91.125, 91.125 into 10 power of 15. Okay, we need to put it in standard form, so it will become 9.1125 into 10 to the power 16. Okay, right? So this multiplication part I am removing. It is not required, just for rough purpose we have done. Okay, this was question number 17. Let us solve question number 18. So 3 into 10 to the power 8, and it is 5. So it will become 3 to the power 5 into 10 power of 8 to the power 5. So 3 to the power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 5 times into 10 power of 40. Okay, right. So it is 9 into 9, 81 into 3 into 10 power of 40. So 3 1 ja 3, 24 into 10 power of 40. Okay. So this one will be 2.43 into 10 to the power of 42 will get added. Right. Then question number 19. 10 to the power of 12 divided by 4 into 10 to the power of 7. Right. Let me write this one as 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power of 12 we can write 4 into 10 power of 7. Why I am writing that 100 can be divided by 4 easily. Okay, so it is 100 by 4 into 10 power of 12 minus 7, and this if we are dividing we are getting 25, so it will become 25 into 10 to the power of 5, and this one further will be equal to 2.5 into 10 power of 6. Okay, 2.5 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, then I will write here 20. So 3.45 into 10 power of 8 plus 10 power of 6 is there. Okay. Now in this case 10 to the power of 6 we can take common. We can go for it, 8 zeros and all we can make. Okay, we will make it. So it will become what? 345 and 10 power of 6 it will be. So it will be, you can say 6 zeros we will put. Why not? Then 10 to the power of 6. It means 6 zeros. So 1. Okay. 10 power of 6. So both will get added plus. Now if we are adding them, we are getting, so 6 zeros will come as it is, 516, 4, 346. Now in standard form, it can be written as 3.46 into 10 power of 6 and 2. So it will become 10 to the power of 8. Similarly, 21. 10 to the power of 9 minus that. So 10 power of 9 we can write 9 zeros. 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Minus, if we are multiplying with the 10 to the power of 7, so 2 will be utilized to remove the decimal. So here it will be 10 to the power of 5 further. Okay, so we will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 7, 4, 3. 7, 4, 3. This we will be subtracting. Okay, so from here 2, 4, 5, 0 will be as it is. Okay, 5 zeros will be as it is. Then 10, 7, 3, 9, 4, 5, and 9, 3, 6, and this one will be 9 only. Okay, we can see these 5 zeros will be as it is, 7, 3, 10, 5, 4, 9, 1, 10, 9, 1, 10, and 9, 1, 10. So we have got this one. So which can be written in standard form as 9.653 into, so 5 zeros plus 3 decimals, so it has become 10 to the power of 8. 9.653 into 10 to the power of 8. Then 22. Okay, 10 power of 16 divided by 2.5 is there. Okay, 10 power of 16 divided by 2.5 into 10 power of 12. Now, as I told, 100 can be divided very well with 25. So we will make 100 into 10 to the power of 14 divided by, here 110 we will be utilizing to remove the decimal, so it will become 25 and into to 10 power of 11. 12 will get reduced to 11. So this one will be cancelling and this will become 4. So 4 into 10 to the power of 14 minus 11 will give you 4 into 10 power of 3. We can write like this also. No need to do anything, or 4.0 into 10 power of 3 we can write. So there is no change. Anyone we can write. Okay, now here we need to go for fill in the blanks. We are already given this 0 to 10 power of 8. The distance between Earth to Sun is 10 to the power of 8 in miles. So Sun is from Earth 10 power of 8. Saturn is 10 power of 9. Okay, 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power 19 and 10 to the power of 22. It is given to us. We need to find the Andromeda galaxy is dash times further away from the Earth than Saturn. Then Saturn. Andromeda galaxy. So for this 23, how we will find further away? So 10 to the power 19 divided by Saturn, it is given. Okay, right. So Andromeda galaxy is dash times further away from the Earth than Saturn. So from the Earth it is 10 to the power 8. Okay. No, it is not 10 to the power of 8. 10 to the power of 8 is Sun's distance. It is 10 to the power of 9. Because then Saturn we need to find out. Okay. From the Earth, Andromeda galaxy is this times further away from the Earth than Saturn. So it will become 10 to the power of, I think we need to use Sun's distance only. Okay. From Earth to Sun. So it is 10 to the power, if it is Saturn, then 10 to the power of 19 minus 9, and it is giving to us as 10 to the power of 10. Okay, comparison. But it is not from the Sun distance. It is not from the Saturn. Andromeda galaxy is dash times further away from the Earth than Saturn. I feel that it is from Earth. So if it is Earth, we will write 10 power of 8. It will become 10 to the power of 11 times. Okay. 10 to the power 11 times. 24. Now QSAR OQ172 is dash times further away from the Earth than the Andromeda galaxy. Then the Andromeda galaxy. Okay. So we can write 10 to the power 22, then divided by QSAR OQ Then the Andromeda galaxy. So 10 to the power of 19 we will be using. Similarly, here also in the previous question we will be using Saturn, 10 to the power of 9. So it is 9 and it is becoming 10. And here it will become 10 to the power of 22 minus 19. So 10 to the power of 3, that is 1000 times. Okay, 1000 times further away. And this is 10 to the power of 10 times further away. 10 power of 3 also we can write, or 10 power of 10. Okay, to make a scale model showing the distances of the 4 bodies from the earth, a student makes the sun 1 centimeter from the earth. How far along the line should the other 3 celestial objects in space be placed? So this should be actually with reference to earth. It is there, the scale. So we have to take the reference of earth only here, no doubt. So in question number 25, first of all, for sun it is 10 to the power of 8, already it is given. Okay, and makes the sun 1 centimeter from the earth. Let me tell you, 1 centimeter is equal to how many kilometer? So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power of minus 2 meter. Okay, and again it will become 10 to the power of minus 5 kilometer, or 1 by 10 power of 5. It can also be written as 1 by 10 power of 5 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to. Now for Saturn, so 10 to the power of 8, that is 10 to the power of 9 divided by 10 power of 8. So it will become 10 power of 9 minus 8 is equal to 10. So 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter for Saturn. Now for you can say Andromeda galaxy. So another one, 10 to the power of 19 divided by 10 power of 8. Okay, is giving to us as 10 to the power of 19 minus 8 is equal to 10 power of 11 centimeter. So instead of centimeter, if we want to, we can write 10 power of 11 centimeter. If we want to write in kilometer, we need to divide it by 10 power of 5. Okay, so it will be giving to us as 10 to the power of 11 by 10 power of 5 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power of 11 minus 5. So that is 10 power of 6 kilometer, which is 1 million kilometer. 1 million kilometer. Okay, this Andromeda galaxy. Right. So you can write as Saturn, for Saturn 10 centimeter. For Andromeda galaxy it is 1 million kilometer, and for Quasar OQ 172. So that will be getting how 10 to the power of 22 divided by 10 to the power of what? 8. So it is giving to us as 10 to the power of 22 minus 8. So 10 power of 14. Okay. Now 10 to the power of 14, if we are dividing by 10 to the power of, you can say, to make it as kilometer, so 10 power of 5. So it is 10 power of 14 minus 5, 10 power of 9. So 10 to the power of 9 is nothing but 1 billion. So 1 billion kilometer. 1 billion kilometer. this distance has to be placed in the model, scale model. So I hope our students have understood it nicely, and in case of any doubt, in case of any comment, you are requested to put that comment in comment box. Certainly I will be coming back to you at the earliest. Thank you very much for your kind support, motivation, and encouragement. Once again, I am telling you, it's because of your motivation and encouragement. At least I am able to do little. I am not claiming that I am doing very great. Nothing. Nothing. I am a simple human being, normal human being. Whatever I want to do, let it be useful for a single child only. I am happy. Okay. So, thank you very much. Bye.